Assalamu alaikum guys, hope you all are fine and doing well. I am Ikra Slim from batch 130. Today I will discuss with you how to log in Google Classroom. There are two methods to log in Google Classroom. First of all, open your Google Chrome and sign in your Gmail account. Sign in your Gmail account by using AMAL email ID like this. Here is mine email ID. Open it and enter your password. Remember your AMAL email account because you receive your all project work and all emails from AMAL Academic on this account. And your program associate send you an email of project work like this. Here is mine, like this. Click on it and click on open. Now you will enter into the Google Classroom and here is your project work. Now here is your project work and online course. Now I will discuss with you second method. In any case, if you not receive an email from your program associate or if you want to log in Google Classroom for the academic work, then simply open Google Chrome, write Google Classroom like this, and here is Google Classroom. Open it and using your AMAL email account, enter your password. And now you enter into Google Classroom and here is project work. Here is your project work and online course. In my next video, I will discuss with you how to submit your project work and how to enroll in online course. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.